In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track sales in Insightly in just 5 minutes. Now, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Insightly. Once you have found it, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate over to System Settings and look for Pipelines. This section will help you map out the various stages of your sales process, which is key for keeping your team aligned and organized. Now, let's create a new pipeline. Begin by giving this pipeline a specific name that reflects its purpose or a project it's related to. Then, select Opportunity from the Applies to drop-down menu. This will allow you to track the progress of each sales opportunity using this pipeline. With your new pipeline set up, it's time to add the stages of your unique sales process. For instance, you might include stages like prospecting, qualification, proposal, negotiation, and closed won. Once all those stages are input, make sure to save everything you've done so far so nothing is lost. Here's a quick tip. Remember, leads are unqualified sales contacts, whereas opportunities represent qualified deals that you are actively working on. Next, head over to the Leads tab in Insightly. Here, click on the New Lead button to start inputting potential clients. As you add each new lead, be sure to fill in all relevant contact information, set the lead status, and assign an owner who will be responsible for nurturing this lead. As you continue to work with this lead, it's very helpful to log any interactions you have. This might include notes from phone calls or email exchanges. Keeping this information updated will provide valuable context for you and your team as you move forward. When you determine that a lead is qualified, click the Convert Lead button. This action will automatically create a linked opportunity as well as contact and organization entries. Navigate over to the Opportunities tab to get a complete overview of all your deals in either a Kanban or list view. This is invaluable for maintaining visibility over your sales pipeline and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. You can create a new opportunity by clicking New Opportunity. Fill in all the necessary details, such as the contact information, organization, deal value, and expected close date. As negotiations progress, update the opportunities stage by dragging and dropping the card on the Kanban board to reflect its current status. Once you reach a conclusion, mark the deal as either won or lost. If you'd like, you can also add a state reason to explain why the deal was closed in that manner. Finally, Insightly offers robust reporting and dashboard features that allow you to visualize and analyze your sales performance. You can take advantage of standard dashboards or create a custom one that fits your needs. And importantly, share this dashboard with your team to ensure everyone has real-time visibility into sales performance. That's how you track sales in Insightly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.